our home was the reception area for anybody who came from anywhere in the world, from Argentina, because people had left Khmelnyk before the war. Some went after through Cyprus to Israel or before. So our home became the gathering place for that. Didn't matter if I had exams the next day, somebody called, they're here, impromptu party. But so it was discussed. It was discussed Friday night, but especially Passover, because Passover is a very special holiday in our family, because over the years, my father always looked at Passover as a reminder of his own Yetsies Mitsrayim out from the camps. And there'd always be discussion and parallel things. And my kids heard it. How much they digested, I don't know. But, I mean, my kids were lucky enough that my father lived through their teenage years, so there's a concrete memory.